Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, compound assignment with augmented division. The forward slash equal to operator divides a variable by another number. MyVar equal to myVar by 5 will divide myVar by 5. This can be rewritten as myVar forward slash equal to 5. So the task for this challenge, convert the assignments for A, B and C to use forward slash equal to operator. So in this way we can do this. A forward slash equal to 12, B forward slash equal to 4 and C forward slash equal to 11. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.